Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix Windows blue screen error code 0xc000000e solved. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find your boot drive and Windows installation drive. In my case, C is boot drive and D is Windows installation drive. Type boottrack /fix mbr. Type boottrack /fix boot. Type bootsec /nt60 sys. Type boottrack /fix boot. Type attrib c:\boot /bcd -h -r -s. Type ren c:\boot /bcd bcd.old. Type boottrack /rebuild bcd. Type bcd boot Windows installation drive letter colon \Windows /s boot drive colon /f all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.